Describe the end behavior in limit notation. I have myself a polynomial graphed, and what it looks like is happening is this graph going to the left is moving downward, and going to the right is also moving downward. Another way of saying going to the left is the limit as x approaches negative infinity. That means x is heading towards negative infinity, moving to the left. My graph, as I move to the left, is going downward, which means it's heading towards negative infinity. So the limit as my picture moves to the left is going down to negative infinity. That's one side of the end behavior. The other side of the end behavior is if I move to the right. When x gets larger, we say the limit as x approaches positive infinity. And in this case, as x approaches positive infinity, it's also going downward. So as x approaches positive infinity, we are also heading towards negative infinity. What you're allowed to do, you're allowed to go in the same exact spot both times, that's fine. But this is how you would describe this polynomial in limit notation if we care about its end behavior.